Welcome. In this video, we'll explore the powerful auto-weighting feature in INGenious Studio, which leverages Playwright's smart actionability checks to ensure browser tests are reliable and robust. One of the standout features of Playwright, and by extension INGenious Studio, is auto-weighting. But what exactly is auto-weighting? Auto-weighting ensures that before any action is performed on a web element, whether it's a click, input, or another interaction, Playwright automatically performs a series of checks to verify the element is ready for interaction. These checks make sure the action behaves exactly as expected, preventing common test failures caused by elements not being in the right state. So, how does this work in practice? Let's take the click action as an example. Before Playwright executes the click, it ensures the following. 1. The element you're interacting with must be clearly defined, so there's no ambiguity about which element is being clicked. 2. The element must be visible on the screen, ensuring you don't attempt to click on something hidden. 3. This means the element isn't moving, animating, or transitioning, which ensures you're interacting with a stable element. 4. The element must not be covered or obscured by other elements, ensuring it can properly receive the click event. 5. Finally, the element must be enabled and interactable, not disabled or inactive. If any of these checks do not pass within a specified timeout period, the action fails, and you'll receive a timeout error. This helps catch issues like elements loading too slowly or being dynamically altered on the page. With this smart auto-weighting feature, INGenious Studio automatically waits for the right conditions to be met before performing any action, significantly reducing flakiness in your tests. As a result, you get more reliable and stable tests without needing to manually add wait times or retries. Auto-weighting in INGenious Studio ensures your tests interact with elements at the right time, every time, reducing errors and making automated browser testing smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching!